Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It's Tea Tuesday, hosted by Life with Patty and Kathy's Favorite Things. I am back with some announcements for upcoming collaborations, and in this video we are going to be unbagging a couple mystery bags from one of my favorite Japanese stationery shops in San Francisco called Maido. Before we get to that, wanted to show you, I love this little bird, little light. It has 3 different settings and I love birds. So anyway, just wanted to show you, I got this. There was a set of 2 from Amazon. And then this little holder here, it can hold your little flower pot. And I got it from San Francisco a few months ago. I love it because you can hang, I usually put my reading glasses on here, but I decided to just put this little necklace that I had purchased before. It has a little bird. Now the chain is a little too short, so I may have to replace that and see if I can get a longer one. But it has a beautiful bird illustration or painting on there. Really cool. So I love that. Let's talk about what is happening. End of the month, we are coming down to the last day of Masterboard Madness 2026, hosted by Hazel Anaka Design. Guys, we had a wonderful month of inspiration, and I hope you guys check in, do the channel hop, and check out everyone's shares. I think Hazel did an update on a giveaway also for this particular collaboration. So make sure to check out her channel. I'll link her link down below. Also upcoming, we have tomorrow, Angela from the Traveling Crafter is going to be kicking off Give a Scrap. It is also a channel hop. And here real quick, if you would like to take a screenshot, are the names of the channels that will be participating. I'll have more of the links of all these channels when the time comes on my next Tea Tuesday. And you can also check Angela's channel, The Traveling Crafter. She'll have all the links over there. So I will be posting my share on April 25th, and that's going to be with 2 channels will be featured in some of the days. So Virginia Martin, author, speaker, is going to be one of them, and myself. So make sure to check it out. It's so much fun. It's basically shopping your stash, using all your scraps up, and having some fun ideas on how to make fun crafty paper projects or junk journaling. So check that out. Also coming back this April, it's What's in a Name. It is an open collaboration. We're inviting you all to join in. Tag a channel that you're curious about to know why they named it that way. It's so fun to hear the stories behind the names of these channels, their journeys. And we started in 2023. We're bringing it back. Our community of paper crafters and junk journal makers has grown tremendously. So I'm curious to hear all your stories, and I hope me and BB are hoping that you all can join in the fun. Another really fun collaboration that's upcoming, and it's a challenge collab hosted by Crinkled Path, that's Carol's channel, is Mission Impossible Makers. You have to see the teaser trailer. It is so well crafted and made. I will link that video in the description box below. Super fun. I had joined previously, and I think Carol might have another call, an open call for the next one. She hasn't announced that yet, but stay tuned. Check out her channel. The one that I'm speaking of that's coming up is on April 12th, so mark your calendars. Stay tuned. There are 3 channels, and you can check that on Carol's channel. I think one of them is BB's Classic Creations. She had shared that on her interview with Hazel Anaka Design, and also Vicky from Retro Queen Bee, I think is the name of her channel, and I think Trish, if I'm not mistaken. So check out Carol's trailer. It's really, really fun, and I get you guys are gonna love it. I love it. And then speaking of Hazel, she is also the wonderful host of a beautiful and, oh my gosh, just enriching and insightful video interview series called Heart to Heart, and I'm a big, big fan. And she has so kindly invited me to join her for another series, but this time it is called Heart to Heart Craft and Chat with Hazel Anaka, and I am going to be her guest on Tuesday, April 7th, 11 a.m. Mountain Time. So mark your calendars. We would love to see you all join in the fun, join in the conversation, and craft along with us. So I hope you guys join in. I believe Pacific time or California time is 10 a.m. So if you'd like to chime in and join in with our craft and chat, please do. So now let's get to the unboxing and unbagging of our mystery bags from Maido stationery shop that I got over the weekend. So here goes. Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. Join me today for an unboxing of Maido's lucky bag. I just happened to be in San Francisco over the weekend, and I was in Japantown, and we found these bags, $25 each, and it says $100 value. So let's hope we have good things. Just a little background, Maido is a stationery shop with some fun goods ranging from blind boxes, figurines, you name it, they have it. So let's hope that there are good items in here. So let's open up the first bag. I got two. What is it, Finn? You want to see what's inside? Okay, it's not a treat. All right, we are opening bag one. As you saw there, my dog Finn really wanted to get in the action. A little quick preview. I'm gonna let it lay here as we pull the items out. First item out of the $25 bag is a little ghost sticky note. How cute! Mr. Emmy loves Miffy. So what is this? A pin? $13.95, and it is a beautiful, almost like an acrylic type pin. But I know she'll love that, so I'll put it right there. Wow. We got stencils, so let's take a look and see what's in here. Oh my gosh, this would be perfect. So my friend Carol, Crinkled Path, does some faith. I think I'm gonna have to share this with the ladies. This is fun. I think they will love it. And there's a variety of, that's a lot of stencils. I can't believe this. Wow, letters. Okay. I wonder what the retail is for this. It says it was 50% off for this one. $5.99 for all of that. That's a good deal. 4 items, more than 4 items, which is a lot. Okay, next one. What do we have here? Sam and Julia. This is Sam's father. It's a cute mouseling. It looks like it's part of a series. $19.95. I'm not familiar with this, but I'm sure my niece Dahlia will like it. So I'm going to save that for her. Oh, there is a book. Oh, there's more than, what is this? Perfect. It's an undated monthly, weekly planner, which is what I like, so you can use it any time of the year. And it has mushrooms. How cute is this? So let's take a look at the pages. Important dates. And then we have the mushrooms in there. Let's turn to this page. How cute. I like it. It's a great planner. So we have a yearly planner. And retail price, $21.99. So we've already made our money back, and all of the items are pretty amazing. So this one fell out, and it's a Blossom lip balm for $6.95. Might be a nice little shimmer thing. There's something a little heavy here, so let me pull it out. Oh my gosh, how cute is that ring holder? I'm gonna give this to Emmy. She has rings, and this was being sold for $13.95. Let's open it up and have a look and see. Oopsie. So here's the box, and here's what that looks like. That's super cute. Emmy will definitely love that. I'm just gonna put these aside. There's more in here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that sticker? Is that a cat? It's a circus something, Creators Circus. $6.95. Oh wow. Here are some sticky notes, and I love this for our junk journals. Always be your friend. How cute is that illustration? So definitely use that. What do we have next? Oh, I love pop art cards, and this is something I'll save for Christmas. That's really sweet. And it retails for $12.99. How fun is this? I mean, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items. And it looks like there's 2 more items in here. We have another Christmas card. I love it. Santa Claus. And then I love the address. And here's the back. It's by Rifle Paper Company. So save that for the holidays. And let's see. The last item is... Oh my gosh, what is it? It looks like a holographic... Is that a horse? I can't really tell. But anyway... This was being sold for $9.95. And if it is a horse, well, it's perfect. It's Year of the Horse. It is broken. So this is the only item I think I least like. Well, one, it's damaged. But everything else in bag number 1 was amazing. So I'm going to put this aside and we are going to take a look at bag number 2. So let's take a look at bag number 2. All right, so here's bag number 2, and I'm hoping there's no duplicates, hoping there's more stationery in here. Wish me luck, guys. Let's open it up and see. Okay. First item. Ooh, we have another faith stencils. I'm going to be sharing this again with some friends that have been doing Bible journaling lately. Oh my gosh, hopefully not a duplicate. Here is a blind bag. It's Tokyo Revenge. So I'm not familiar with them. I'm going to have to ask Emmy if she knows them. $7.95. So not really excited about this, but I may give it to a nephew that maybe likes that stuff. So another keychain, and it's a duplicate. This one I don't mind having a duplicate because then I also have a friend that loves Moomin. So we'll put that right there. Oh no! Oh, good. It's a lion. I love it. So these might be Zodiac little keychains or something. But that is being sold for $9.95. And it's a lion. Cute. I like that. Next item here, we have another Miffy. And it $13.95 for that cutie. Still not sure what that is. So let me take it out of the container. I just want to know if it's a keychain. It is a brooch. So you can pin it on your bag. Really, really cute. I love it. Next one. Oh no, we're having duplicates here. But we can share it with our friends, so that's cool. Oh, this one's different. I love that. It's almost like a retro style in the illustration. Right like you feel. That's pretty cool. Love that. Oh my gosh, another Sam's father. And we have the Blossom one. This one's a little different in color. I think they said that this one has some kind of magic. Or it goes with the temperature of your body. I'm not sure. Or like it matches your skin tone. Something like that. So $6.95 for that. This was being sold for $19.95. Oh, let me open this up. We have another one of those mushroom planners. Really cute. I can see myself altering this and then sharing one with one of my daughters. Whoever wants it can have it. So that's cool. And we have another duplicate of our Santa Claus little Christmas card. And I can send 2 of these out for the holidays, which is awesome. All right, here's another one. Yay, we got a different kind. Let me show you what we got from the other box here. I love this. I'm actually going to put this at the mantle because I love all these woodland creatures. but these are the two that we got in the box. I mean, in the bags. And then we have one last item, it looks like. And it is another ring holder. So that is super cute. So there you have it, guys. Our two $25 Maido mystery lucky bags. Super fun. I had fun sharing this with all of you guys. I know my daughters, Lil and Emmy, will love this. Little ring holders. Some stationery items that I really like. The sticky notes and the cards. And that brooch, actually, Miffy's. Really cute. Let me know in the comments down below which one were your favorite item or items. And I'll see you next time. Bye.